Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of products from MOCREO. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to MOCREO for sending us these products. Products that we are going to unbox and review are first is the MOCREO's ST5 wireless thermometer kit. So the model is ST5. It has a hub and two temperature sensors. And the other one is MOCREO's ST6. So this box contains a temperature and humidity sensor in one. Disclaimer, even if MOCREO has sent us these products, I will be very honest with my views regarding these products. What are the pros and the cons? Without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review. Start the unboxing of the ST5 sensor kit. So inside the kit, there is the manual. So just read the manual, follow the instructions of the manual. And then let's open the hub. So let's remove the hub from its plastic cover, and then this is the hub. It's simple, it's clean, and then there are ports at the back. So at the back there is the power port, the RJ45 if you want it wired, the reset button, and the antenna port. And then there are two mounting holes at the back. And then let's open this little box. So inside this box are for your other paraphernalia such as your charging brick, mounting options. So congrats to you, MOCREO, for including a charging brick. I really appreciate it. So congrats on that. Good job. And then there's a short micro USB to Type A charging cable for your sensor, and then the Velcro mounts. So just place it on the back of your ST5 sensors. And then the suction cups. You use this with your metal leads. So let's place this aside. And then on the remaining items inside the box. So the antenna for your hub. Let's remove it. Inspect it. It's very good. Build quality is very good. And then let's attach it to the hub. So let's proceed on the two ST5 sensors. So this is the first sensor, the second sensor, and then let's remove the cables. So there are three cables inside the kit. On the right side, this is the power cable. This is the ST5. So you attach the 3.5 millimeter jack to your ST5. I think it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. So this is the ST5 sensor itself. At the back there is already a Velcro, and then there's a little port covered by a rubber. So inside that port is the micro USB and the reset port. So let's close the rubber, and the weight of this is quite heavy, so build quality is very good. Good job, MOCREO. Then let's unbox the temperature humidity ST6 sensor. So let's open the box of the ST6. And the same, there is the user manual. Just read it, and if you want to go deep with the specifications, just read it. And then follow the instructions on how to add your hub, your sensors, etc., etc. And then also it has the USB to micro USB cord, USB-A to micro USB, and then also the Velcro mounting, and then the ST6 sensor itself. Let's remove it from its plastic case. Plastic cover, not plastic case. So still the same with the ST5. There is already a Velcro attachment at the back. At the front is the icon, humidity and temperature. And then also it has the same port with the ST5, micro USB and reset port. At the back, as you can see, the MOCREO TNH sensor. So this model ST6 is a humidity and temperature sensor. Comparing it with the ST5, it is almost identical. The difference on the front is just the icons used. Size-wise, the same. It is the same. The difference is just on below part is there is a hole for your ST5. So overall, this is the hub, two ST5 sensors, and ST6 sensor, manuals for both, and then the charging brick, Velcro mounts, suction cups for your metal leads, the metal leads, attachment for ST5, and the power cord for the hub. So let's download the MOCREO sensor application, and then just allow it to the Bluetooth. And if you have no account yet, create an account, register your name, your last name, your email address, and then after registering it, check your inbox, check your email inbox, and then proceed. And then let's place the sensors on the locations you want it to be deployed. So this is the floor storage that I deployed my ST6 sensor, so I can monitor and record the humidity and temperature of my floor storage. Let's close this one, and then let's proceed to our refrigerator and freezer. So I place it on the side so it will not be intrusive and it blends with the environment. Opening the refrigerator, I neatly placed the leads, sensor leads, also on the freezer. Good job on this design, MOCREO. I really like it. It's very clean. So let's close the freezer and then open the MOCREO sensor application, and then you can check on the hub. So I have already installed the hub, also the sensors. So the sensors are already starting to retrieve data. So this is the normal style, and then you can change it to traditional style if you want to be detailed. You can view the month, week, day, or hour. Also, let's view on the freezer. So the freezer, it has only a temperature sensor, so it will only view the temperature. Also, the refrigerator is still the same with the freezer. So each sensor, you can configure it to your liking. You can recalibrate it to your liking also. So that is it. That is it for the unboxing part. Let's go on the pros and the cons. The number one pro that I think it excels is battery. Battery life is very long. It takes 2 years between charges. Even if by design it uses a micro USB, I think it is irrelevant because it will take 2 years before the next charging cycle. I would suggest MOCREO on the next iteration of these products, please use a USB Type-C so that it will be future-proofed. Okay, the next pro is the ease of setup. Just download the application and then read the manual. The manual is very easy to understand and the application is very fast. It's very easy. Just follow the instructions on how to set up the product. Third pro for me is the form factor. Form factor of the sensors, especially the sensors. Simple. Even if it is quite big compared with other temperature and humidity sensor, the squarish design is okay. It's clean. And then there's a small branding. And also in the ST5 temperature sensor, the cord of the sensor lead, it is flat. So it's a very good design. It does not hinder on the closing and opening of freezers or refrigerators. The next pro is that the hub. So you can connect multiple MOCREO sensors. So these are only parts of the MOCREO's ecosystem. They have other products, smart plugs, have a display for their temperature, which has also a built-in temperature sensor. And yeah, just check out all the other products of MOCREO. So it is listed in the description box. And I think that is it for the pros. Let's proceed on the cons. Regarding the cons, out of the box, even if it is an IoT device, it has no integration capability with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit, unfortunately. But fortunately, for users who have Home Assistant like me, I had integrated it. On the description box, I will be listing the link. I will be writing the link of the Home Assistant forum in which I have learned how to integrate it with my current Home Assistant setup. So by the way, this is my dashboard. So as you can see, this is my so clean dashboard. So my wife requested me that the dashboard would be easy on the eyes. She does not like that there are too much information. The main tab is for the simple light controls and then door controls like that. And on the second tab is the temperature gauges. So all of my temperature and humidity sensors are listed. So look at this one. So in the kitchen part, this is the place where I have put the MOCREO sensors. As you can see, there is the freezer, the refrigerator, and the floor temperature and humidity. So for those who have Home Assistant, these sensors would be a very great addition. So overall, these sensors are highly recommended. So if you are interested in obtaining these sensors, the ST5 and ST6, check out the description box. We'll be listing the links where you can buy these products. I think that is it for the unboxing and the reviews. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.